हेलो एवरीवन। तो जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा वो है एक्सप्लेन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्टार्टअप, एक्सप्लेन द प्रॉब्लम्स फेस्ड बाय देम, एक्सप्लेन द वेरियस मेजर्स टू सपोर्ट स्टार्टअप्स इन इंडिया. So a startup is a newly established business that is created to develop a unique product or service and bring it to market. Startups are usually built around innovative ideas, new technologies, or solving a specific problem in a novel way. Next, problems faced by startups. So lack of funding, regulatory hurdles, limited market access, lack of skilled workforce, high risk of failures. Next point is measures to support startups in India. Startup India Initiative 2016 funding support, ease of doing business, incubators and accelerators, tax benefits, innovation supports, startups hubs and networks. Next question is differentiate between entrepreneur and intrapreneur. An entrepreneur is an individual who starts and runs their own business, owns the business and bears full risk and reward. An entrepreneur is an employee who innovates within an existing organization, does not own the business, works within a company. Next question is explain the various financial and non-financial resources for entrepreneurship development. So answer is the resources that are needed to start a business can be broadly classified into two broad categories, financial and non-financial sources. First is financial resources. These are the monetary inputs required to start and run a business. Types of financial sources are personal savings, family and friends, bank loans, angels, investors, venture capitalists, non-financial resources. These are the non-monetary supports that are equally important for entrepreneurship development. Types of non-financial sources are human resources, mentoring resources, knowledge resources, material resources, moral resources, cultural knowledge resource, and relational resources. Describe the various types of family business in India. So, family businesses are enterprises that are owned, managed, and often passed down across generations within a family. Family businesses can be of three types. First one is family owned business. These are strong, committed, and loyalty, quick decision making, trust and long term relationships, cost effective management. B1 is family owned and managed business, strong leadership and vision, long term stability and planning, quick decision making, high commitment from family members. Next point is family owned and led business, strong leadership, vision and continuity, balance of emotional connection and professional efficiency, easier adaptation to modern corporate practices. Next point is major challenges faced by family businesses in India. Limited talent, lack of succession planning, technology needs, internal conflicts, biased decision making, and limited finance. Next point is importance of family business in India. First is role in economic development, role in industrialization, role in social development, role in business development, role in development of entrepreneurship. Next question, explain the various models of entrepreneurship. So first one is ambitious innovators, believes in high risk taking, experimentation and tolerance to failures. Next one is adaptive innovators, having the ability to adapt the different situations. Next, solo self-employed, who are working on their own. Next point is managerial employers. Their prime focus is sustainability or business continuity. Next is social entrepreneur. Their major focus is to solve community-based problems. Next question is explain the role of MSMEs in entrepreneurship development in India. So first one is promotes entrepreneurial opportunities. MSMEs provide real platform to the budding entrepreneurs. Next point is promotes entrepreneurial culture. It nurtures entrepreneurial culture. Third, commercialize inventions. Commercialization encourages innovations from time to time. Fourth point is encourages and exploit innovation. MSMEs help in creating entrepreneurial culture through business innovation. Next, facilitate and complement large industries. Considered to be complementary to the large industry. Sixth one is boost in service sector. MSMEs are immensely contributing in service sector. Next point is different initiatives of the government to promote MSMEs in India. So first one is Udyam registration, My MSME, MSME data bank, job portal for MSMEs, champions portal, government e-marketplace.